Understanding long cooking time in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, long cooking time. This phrase is commonly used in cooking contexts and can sometimes be confusing for English language learners. So, let's break it down and understand what it really means. Long cooking time refers to the duration or the amount of time required to cook a particular dish or food item. When a recipe or a cooking instruction mentions a long cooking time, it implies that the food needs to be cooked or simmered for an extended period. This could range from several hours to even a whole day, depending on the dish. In cooking, a long cooking time is often associated with dishes that need to be tenderized or where flavors need to develop and deepen over time. Examples include slow-cooked stews, braised meats, and certain baked goods. Understanding this term helps in planning meal preparation, especially for complex or traditional dishes. The concept of long cooking time is crucial in cooking because it affects the texture, flavor, and overall quality of the food. For instance, meats that require long hours of cooking at a low temperature tend to be more tender and flavorful. It's not just about waiting. It's about allowing the ingredients to transform and meld together. Managing long cooking times can be challenging, but here are some tips. 1. Plan ahead. If a recipe requires a long cooking time, start early or even a day before. 2. Use the right equipment. Slow cookers or pressure cookers can be great for managing long cooking processes. 3. Patience is key. Remember, good things take time, and this is especially true in cooking. And that's a wrap on long cooking time. We hope this video has shed light on what this phrase means in the culinary world and why it's important. Remember, cooking is an art, and sometimes it requires patience and time to create a masterpiece. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.